How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Instax Mini 12 flashing light or blinking error. Now, this is a really common issue when it comes to the Instax Mini. This only means one thing, basically, typically, is that the camera is not getting enough power. Now, the reason for that is because Instax is really sensitive when it comes to batteries. If you don't have the right voltage, it can cause all sorts of issues. So the first thing that I suggest before you actually replace or swap your batteries is to perform a forced reset. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your camera is turned on. Twist the lens ring until it extends fully. You then want to remove the battery while the lens is still extended and the light is blinking. Pull the battery cover off and take out both batteries. Leave the batteries out for around 10 to 15 seconds to let the internal capacitor fully drain. From there, you want to insert your batteries back in, ensuring correct polarity alignment plus minus, and turn it back off, then on, and see if that works. Now, the second thing, once again, Instax Mini 12 is highly sensitive to voltage drop. A common mistake is using generic zinc iron or rechargeable batteries, which can basically fail to supply enough immediate power to charge the heavy flash capacitor. So you want to use premium brands. I highly suggest the Duracell AA batteries or Energizer Max batteries, and you definitely want to avoid rechargeable batteries. Standard rechargeable AA batteries put only 1.2 volts, while the Instax Mini 12 demands one full 1.5 per slot to function safely. And so hopefully this video has been helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.